Hi everyone, it's Anan once again and welcome to my slightly improved Lego room.
Behold! My stuff.
In this video I'll show in closer detail all the stuff that I have here and the many problems that I'm starting to have with it.
Let's go, in and out, 20 minutes adventure.
I live in a 2-bedroom apartment with my wife, and the small room is entirely dedicated to Lego. It's a small room, 4 meters length, 3.5 meters wide, and 2.5 meters high. The room is divided in 3 different sections: the computer area, the exhibition area, and the building area. It has enough room, but it's too narrow to add a table on the center to increase building space. Most of my stuff is still stored at my parents' house. Not on the best conditions, but they are at least safe there. I have 3 Billy bookcases, all of them filled with planes from my most recent display, dedicated to the Spanish Civil War. To store my bigger ships, I have a shelf unit.
Yes, I will have the Plopenlugen, and don't skimp on the Doodlemunch.
Really, who makes these names? I also have 2 showcases, one of them filled with more ships, and this Detolf from IKEA. I want to replace this showcase as soon as possible, because it's a tremendous security hazard.
And look at this. I mean, it literally just burst. There's nothing touching it.
It's super fragile, and there are lots of photos online of showcases like this who suffered accidents and the glass shatters into very small parts. Not good for my Lego or in fact anyone's collection. When I made this Lego room, I bought all sorts of different plastic parts cabinets to divide my Lego parts. Money was short at the time. Recently, I replaced most of them with these metal plastic ones from a Portuguese brand, which have drawers with a much larger capacity. Following my most recent visit to the huge Lego fabric shop in Legoland, Germany, I have most of my drawers packed to the brink, ready to start another building year. Some parts I divided by type, others by color. For that purpose, I have these IKEA drawer units with lots of different colors. Some of them store my Brick Arms collection, and in here all my camera and media stuff. It's easy to speak of the biggest issue. And this goes here. Awesome. This room is full! I can certainly squeeze a few more models here and there, but it's not a solution on the long term.
A little more. Yeah.
Okay. And dust is a huge issue. Thank God I'm still a prolific builder with an average of 40 new models each year. Since I don't dismantle my older mocks, well, not the ones that I like, I'll be forced to store some of them somewhere until I have a bigger home to put all of them. But I might have some developments on that area in the near future. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. It's a simple gesture that helps this page a lot. Thank you and see you again next time.